Someone told me in a YouTube comment, thank you YouTube comment, that if I used curtains in my yoga studio on the walls, it would dampen the echo, or it would make it less echoey in here. So I put curtains in my studio. I've got one on this wall, 3 on this wall, one in the back, one even on the floor, just to see if it would decrease the echo. And I will report to you right now that it did not. So unless I think I lined the walls completely down with curtains, which also looks very tacky, I don't think it's gonna do much for this space and the echo. The echo isn't bad, but when I'm teaching a yoga class, I prefer to use something like a wireless microphone instead of using the internal microphone, or what I'm using right now is the Yeti microphone. So it sounds probably okay right now, but let me move back and I'll show you. So first of all, the curtains are on the wall. You can see this one here. There's a light in front of it and then the curtain, and then I put 3 on this wall, actually closer to the camera. So when I move back, hey guys, I'm gonna teach a yoga class. And today we're at Ash's Yoga Studio. You still get this huge echo. So like I said, I prefer something like this simple wireless microphone. By the time I spend hundreds of dollars on curtains to line the walls, I might as well have just spent the same amount of money or less on this microphone. This is a Rode Wireless Go, so I talk about this one a lot, but you can probably find something, a different kind of brand and whatnot, but this one I know is tested, true, and awesome. So this is a Rode Wireless Go. It's got the microphone piece and the receiver. All I do is take this mic piece, I clip it to me. A lot of times I'll just clip it in my sports bra right there, and it works great. I take the additional cords to plug into my computer, and the sound is great. Echo or no echo, it doesn't pick it up like it does on this Yeti microphone. Let me show you. And here I am using the Rode Wireless Go attached to me. And just to prove that this sounds way better, I took down all of the curtains, stuck them in a pile, and decided I would show you how the audio works with this simple wireless microphone. So now I can say, I'm Ashley, and I'm gonna teach you a yoga class. So come on and join me. Let's all start standing. Here we go. It sounds so much better, doesn't it? It's just better when you have the audio attached to you, so it moves with you, rather than picking up that echo from an external microphone like the Yeti mic, or your internal microphone on your phone or your computer. So I've been a huge fan of this microphone since I bought it back in February, and I figured out how to use it in April. So if you haven't checked out this microphone, go ahead and look at that video. I actually have a few ways and a few tips and tricks for you on how to connect it to a computer and how to best use it. So I love it. Go check it out if you haven't already. I've made a ton of videos on this microphone, and I keep promoting it, so that's cool. But anyway, yeah, curtains didn't work. Sorry.